Welcome. Today we are looking at history revision questions. Question 1A, define trade. 1B, identify and explain the two methods of trade. C, give the limitations of using bartered system of trade. 1D, state the advantages of using currency system of trade. 2A, identify the different types of trade. 2B, briefly explain the origin and development of local trade in pre-colonial Kenya. 2C, what was the impact of local trade on the people? 3A, state the factors that led to the development of trans-Saharan trade between North Africa and West Africa. B, describe the organization of the trans-Saharan trade. C, list the goods from Western Sudan and North Africa. Question 4A, what was the impact of trans-Saharan trade on the people of Western Sudan? B, state the problems that the trans-Saharan traders faced in Western Sudan. Question 5, give the factors that contributed to the decline of the trans-Saharan trade. 6A, what was the triangular trade? B, state ways in which slaves were obtained from West Africa during transatlantic trade. 7A, discuss the impact of the transatlantic trade on the people of West Africa. 7B, explain why the British championed the abolition of the slave trade. Let us look at the answers tomorrow. Thanks a lot for listening and subscribing. God bless you.